So you may want to apply certain type of themes inside of your website. Right now you can see that this is my website theme that is applied right now, which is in the form of a regular blog. Well, let's say what I want to do is I want to apply a specific type of theme. In that case, what I can actually do is I can go around over here onto the appearance section and then go to theme section right here. So over here you can see that I have an option to search for themes as I like. Let's say for example, I can simply go around and say something like, let's say for example, blue right here and press enter. Then you get the themes accordingly right here, just like this, which matches that particular criteria. Apart from that, you can also see that you can filter out for free themes and partner themes as well, and so forth. So let me just go around onto free themes right here. Then what happens is that you get the free themes right here, just like this. So let's say for example, I want this theme right here in the style of blue right here, and then you can see that this is the theme that I have. So if I want to go ahead and apply it, then you can simply go ahead and click right here just like this, and then activate out this theme right here. Activate this design, or you can also go around and preview this theme first as well. So if I were to go around and click on preview this theme, then what happens is that it'll take your content and then will preview it out onto the particular theme right here, just like this, as you can see. So there's some sample posts as you can see right here, and even the pages that you have right here as well. So let me just go ahead and activate this theme now. So I'm just going to go back for it and then activate this design right here. So once you do that, you can see that you can unlock the premium style right here. So this seems to be actually a paid theme right here. So let's just go around for the free theme itself. So let's just go around and utilize this one, let's say for example, and activate this particular theme right here. And once you activate out that theme, then what happens is that this is applied. So now if I were to go around and view to my site, then you can see that I actually see my theme right here. So now you can see the page right here. So you can actually see like I actually get redirected, and over here if I were to go around on the sample, you can view your post right here, go to the event page, you see the event section and so forth, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and apply out your theme by setting it according to certain criterias inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.